Welcome, in front of me is an OPPO A77 and today I will show you how we can format your SD card. Now to get started you will need to open up your settings and from here scroll all the way down to About Device, select Storage, scroll down again where you will find your SD card at the bottom. And now, at the bottom, you'll find in red text, Format SD card. Now when you press on it, it will tell you to verify your PIN, pattern, password. If you have one set, I do, so bringing up my pattern. Once you do so, it brings up this pop-up window. This will clear all data stored on the SD card. This action cannot be undone, format anyway. So if you have anything on your card that you want to preserve, maybe like some photos, videos, music, documents, anything like that, do make a copy of it, obviously if you don't want to get rid of it. Now if you don't care, if it's all that you want to remove, then you can select Format. So begin formatting it, and this process only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. There we go, and it's finished. As you can see, the card is formatted and ready to be used once again. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.